Hello friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about how we can customize our YouTube channel layout 2021. Before continue, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start. Just go to your YouTube studio by clicking on the channel icon at the top right corner, then click on Create a Studio button. Then from the left side tabs click in the Customization tab. So this is your channel customization menu. All the customization of your channel will done from here. So let's explore it one by one. Channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed means share a preview of your channel shown with people who haven't subscribed yet. Featured video for returning subscribers means highlight a video for your subscribers to watch. This video won't be shown again at the top of your page for subscribers who have watched it. In the featured section you can add different sections that you want to add in your YouTube channel's layout. Check it is appear professionally. So, I hope you like the video. Don't forget to click the like button. Subscribe the channel.